Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate security awareness programs with Wombat, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin automating your security awareness programs with Wombat, first, create an account on the Wombat security website. Once registered, log into your dashboard. Navigate to the Program Management section. Here, you will find options to create new programs. Click on Create New Program. Choose the type of program you want to implement, such as phishing simulations or training courses. Fill in the required details, including the program name and description. Set the schedule for your program, specifying start and end dates. Select your target audience for the program. You can categorize users by department or role to ensure tailored learning experiences. Next, choose the content for your program from Wombat's extensive library. Incorporate interactive elements like quizzes and videos to enhance engagement. Review the program settings to ensure everything meets your organization's objectives. Once satisfied, click on Save to create the program. After saving, proceed to the User Management section. Here, you can assign users to the program you just created. You can upload user lists in bulk or add users individually. Ensure each user receives an invitation to join the program. This can often be done automatically through Wombat's features. Next, go to the Reporting section to track user progress and engagement. Utilize the analytics provided to monitor completion rates and assess user performance. You can also customize reporting settings to generate specific insights as needed. Once your program is live, continue to update and refine it based on feedback and data collected. Regularly reassess your content to keep it relevant and engaging. Finally, make use of Wombat's customer support and community resources for any questions or challenges. By following these steps, you can effectively automate your security awareness programs with Wombat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.